Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology, E-Content, title Overview of 8051 Microcontroller Family, presented by Dr. P.F. Khalilur Rahman. Before going to the overview of 8551 microcontroller family, let us compare microprocessor and microcontroller. In case of microprocessor, there is no internal random access memory, read-only memory, no I/O ports. Have the advantages of versatility and the amount of RAM, ROM, and I/O ports. But microcontroller has inbuilt random access memory, read-only memory, I/O ports, timer, analog to digital converter. Some microcontroller have DAC and so many I/O port facilities. The fixed amount of on-chip ROM, RAM, and number of I/O ports and less computing power. These are some of the advantages of microcontrollers. Examples of 8-bit microcontrollers are Motorola Corporation 6811, Intel's 8051, Zilog Z80, microchip thick type of microcontroller, that is peripheral interface type of controller. Some of the 8051 family: Intel, Atmel, Philips, AMD, Infineon, formerly Siemens, Matra, Dallas Semiconductors. 8051 today have over 50 companies produce variations of the 8051. Several of these companies have over 50 versions of 8051. 8051 cores are available for implementation in FPGA, that is Field Programmable Gate Arrays, or ASIC, Application Specific Integrated Circuit ICs. Over 100 million 8051s are sold each year. 8051 has been extremely successful and has directly influenced many of the more recent microcontroller architectures. So this diagram shows the general block diagram of the 8051 microcontroller or any other general purpose microcontrollers. It consists of a power distribution unit, a control and store unit, main CPU processor, have I/O port facility, have random access memory, have the reset control unit, and also clock and timing. An embedded controller is a chip which is a computer processor with all its support functions like clocking and reset, memory, and I/O built into the device. Some of the feature of the 8051 microcontroller family. The MCS family in general is a Intel designation for its 8051 family of devices. 8051 is the original member of MCS 51 family and is the core for all MCS 51 devices. The original 8051 is available in three versions. First version is 8051, is a fixed program read-only memory, but 8031 have no internal ROM program memory. 8751 internal ROM is there, but that ROM is a EEPROM type of ROM erased by exposing the chip to high intensity ultraviolet light for several minutes. One important thing we must know is the comparison between the CISC and RISC. What is CISC? CISC means complex instruction set computers. Example is 8085, 8086, even the 8051 microcontroller also a CISC type of microcontroller. Large number of instructions, each carrying out of different permutation of the same operation. RISC stand for Reduced Instruction Set Computers. Example is the ARM type of processor, Advanced RISC type of processor. Instructions are as bare of minimum as possible to allow users to design their own operation. One more example for the RISC type of microcontroller is the PIC, Peripheral Interface Controller. The basic 8051 core consists of internally 128 bytes of RAM. In case of 8052, it is 256 bytes of on-chip RAM. 4 8-bit ports. Name of the ports are P0, P1, P2, P3. Each ports have 8 IO port lines, totally 32 IO port lines, two 16-bit timers, namely the T0 and T1, then a serial port facility, UART, Universal Asynchronous Receiver Transmitter, then interrupt handling facility, on-chip clock generator is there, and then an 8-bit CPU, capability for single-bit Boolean operation, and support a 64 kilobytes of program as well as data memory, then and 4 kilobytes of internal program memory. These are some of the 8051 basic core features. So this black diagram shows the 8051 microcontroller. It consists of timers, two 16-bit timers, T0 and T1. We can split these 16-bit timers into two 8-bit timers, namely the TH0, TH1, TL0, TL1, and inbuilt 4 kilobytes of program memory, 128 bytes of data memory, and 8-bit CPU is there, having a facility to handle the interrupts, the inbuilt oscillator and timing facility, and it's possible to expand the external memory, 64 kilobytes, both program and data memories. IO port facilities there inside, a serial port facility, and is controlled by means of TXD and RXD pins, that is transmitted data and received data pins. Finally, the applications. The 8051 application broadly classified into several categories. Some of the application only here. First is the home type of application, then office control application, automation application. Home application include appliances control, intercom control, telephones, security systems, garage door openers, answering machines, fax machines, TVs, cable TV tuner, VCR, camcorder, remote controls, video games, cellular phones, musical instruments, sewing machines, lighting control, paging system, camera, pinball machines, toys, exercise equipments. In office applications, example telephones, security systems, fax machines, microwave oven, copier, laser printer, color printer, paging system, automatic application like navigation system, engine control, airbag control system, ABS system, instrumentation purpose, security system, transmission control system, entertainment, climate control, cellular phones, keyless entry. That's all. Thank you.